mag-subscribe at i-like ang mga videos at i-ring nyo na rin ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga video tutorials na ina-upload ko dito sa aking channel. So for today's lesson, we're going to discuss the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. So those theorems are related to each other. So saan ba natin ginagamit yung remainder theorem at factor theorem? So later on, malalaman nyo kung saan siya ginagamit. So but this time, we're going to discuss the concept of remainder theorem and the factor theorem. So let's start with the remainder theorem. So in the remainder theorem, it states that if the polynomial function p of x is divided by a binomial x minus c, then p of c is the remainder. So ano po yung ibig sabihin nun? So kapag daw tayo ay nag-divide ng isang binomial using the remainder theorem, makukuha natin ang remainder without using any division method, without using the long division, without using the synthetic division. So pwede natin makuha yung remainder using the remainder theorem. So let's have an example. So let's say we have x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. So how are we going to divide this in? Or how are we going to determine the remainder? So para makuha natin yung remainder, we're going to use the remainder theorem. And for us to do the remainder theorem, ganito lang siya kasimple. You just get, again, kagaya ng ginawa natin dun sa synthetic division, equate lang natin sa 0 yung divisor. So that will be x minus 3 equals 0. So this is the value of the function, polynomial of x. So, solving for x, we have x equals 3. So, ang value natin ng x is 3. So, after natin makuha yung 3, we just need to substitute the value to the original polynomial. So, we have polynomial of x, or p of x is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Then, after that, we're going to substitute the value na nakuha natin dito. So, since the value of x is 3, lahat ng x, papalitan natin ng 3. So, that will be p of 3 equals 3 squared plus 4 times 3 squared, this is cube, plus 3 times 3 minus 2. So, lahat ng x, napalitan natin ng 3 na nakuha natin dun sa ating divisor. So, after that, we're going to simplify the given. So, 3 raised to 3 is 27 plus 4 raised to 3 or 4 times 3 raised to 2. So, that is 4 times 3 raised to 2. So, 3 raised to 2 is 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 9 minus 2. And then, so simplify, we have 27 plus 36 is 63. Plus 9 is 72. Minus 2 is 70. So that means, if we divide the given polynomial by x minus 3, the remainder is 70. And that is how you use the remainder theorem in determining the remainder of a given polynomial. So you can check your answer if it is correct using the synthetic division para mas madali na siyang i-divide. And that is for our first example. So let's have another example. Okay, so for our second example, so let's say we have the polynomial function x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. So here, we are asked to determine the remainder of the given function when it is divided by x minus 1. So using the remainder theorem, madali nating malalaman kung ano yung remainder. So kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, ganun din ang gagawin natin dito sa given na to. So we need to equate the divisor by 0 para makuha natin yung value ng x. So we have x minus 1 equals 0. So then x will become positive 1. So we have to know the value of x. So after natin makuha yung value ng x, isa-substitute natin yung given or yung nakuha nating value dito sa original given. So that will be P of 1 equals 1 raised to 3 plus 2 times 1 raised to 2 minus 4 times 1 plus 3. So lahat ng x, papalitan natin yung value na nakuha natin dito. And after that, so we're going to simplify. So 1 raised to 3 is 1 plus 1 squared is 1 times 2, that is 2. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 plus 3. And then, simplify na lang ulit natin. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, minus 4 is 2. So that is P of 1. So that means, if the given polynomial is divided by x minus 1, its remainder will be 2. And that is how you determine the remainder of a polynomial using the remainder theorem. So, mas madali nyo nang ma-identify kung ano yung magiging remainder kapag ginamitan natin siya ng remainder theorem. So, which is, gagamitin din natin siya sa factor theorem. So, punta na tayo sa factor theorem. Ano naman yung factor theorem? So, in a factor theorem, it states that if a polynomial p of c is divided by x minus c and the remainder is equal to 0, then x minus c is a factor of the given polynomial. That is the factor theorem. So, paano naman natin siya ma-identify? So, ganito lang po yun. So, kapag naging 0 daw yung remainder, that means the given divisor or yung binomial na divisor natin is a factor of the given polynomial. So, ano ba yung ibig kong sabihin? So, let's say we have the polynomial p of x equals x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, we have P of x equals x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4, and we're going to determine their factor. So I have here two binomial, which is x minus 2, and another one is x minus 1. So from that given, we're going to identify which of the following is or are the factors of the given polynomial. So again, tandaan, masasabi mong factor ang isang binomial if ang remainder niya ay 0. So try natin i-solve yung dalawa. Tingnan natin sa kanila kung sino sa kanila or both ba ay factor. So using the remainder theorem, kasi kailangan lang naman natin ma-identify na ang remainder ay 0. Once na naging 0 yung remainder, that is a factor. So using the remainder theorem, we just need to solve x minus 2, so that will be x equals 2. Then we have the value of x, substitute na natin sa given. So we have p of 2 equals 2 cubed or 2 raised to 3 minus 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 4. So pag na-substitute na natin, solve na natin. So that is 2 raised to 3 is 8, then minus 2 raised to 2 is 4, then negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, and plus 4. So 8 and negative 8, so cancel na siya. Negative 4 and positive 4, so cancel na rin siya. So that means 0 yung ating remainder. So ito po yung sinasabi ko na ang remainder natin ay 0. So that means x minus 2 is a factor. So, ibig sabihin po, yung ating x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial since ang naging remainder niya ay 0. Try natin yung isa kung siya ay factor ba or hindi. So, same procedure, we just need to solve this. So, x minus 1 will be x equals 1. So, substituting to the original equation or to the original function, polynomial, so we have p of 1 equals 1 cubed minus 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 4. and then solve. So we have 1 minus 1 minus 4 plus 4. So again, cancel na to. 1 minus 1 is 0. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So that means the remainder is 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is also a factor of the given polynomial. And that is the remainder theorem and the factor theorem.